Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Really very important time for Bitcoin as it is moving closer and closer to this resistance of the down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze, is Bitcoin going to break out this resistance of the down channel, or we are going to have a reversal move from here to test the support once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And here we can see that this is one of the longest channel, a down channel of the history of Bitcoin. The price line entered here at the end of October. So far, it is not able to break out the resistance of this down channel. Now we are once again very close to this resistance. And now here, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we have bit critical situation, because you can see that there is a significant difference between the new high and the previous high of the price line. But if you watch this oscillator, the RSI, then RSI is forming higher than previous high, even though there is not a very big difference between this high and the previous high. But this bearish divergence is getting flashed on the daily time frame, and there is a very big difference between the previous high and the current high of the price line. Therefore, Bitcoin needs to break out this resistance of the channel, and as soon as possible, it needs to set another higher than previous high to remove this bearish divergence from the daily time frame. But if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, on the smaller time frame, then here we can see that previously there was a slight bearish divergence, like the RSI was forming a slight higher than previous high, but the price line was not able to form another higher than previous high. But if we take a look at the recent trend, then price line is forming another higher than previous high. But if we watch the RSI, yes, it is also forming a slight higher than previous high. So there is no bearish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame, but a bearish divergence on the daily time frame chart. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame from this daily time frame, then we have a very nice closing of the previous week that is at $37,941, and the current week is started at $37,914. Now, if we take a look at this candlestick, then here we had the closing at $36,293, and the lowest price of this candlestick that was started on 17th of January. I'm talking about this red candlestick. Then closing of this red candlestick was at $36,293, and the lowest price was $34,000. So we are closed above the closing and the lowest price of this candle, and the next candlestick is going higher. So there is a very nice bullish start of this week and the current week as well. Now, if from here, if we switch back to this daily, even the 4-hourly time frame, then here we have the formation of an ascending triangle, and this triangle can decide where the price line can go in the immediate short term. Like here we have the resistance of this triangle, and right now you can see that the price line is again reached a resistance, and this is the support of this uptrend line. Here we had a fake out, but we have so many touch points here and a valid support. And right now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance, then it can also break out the resistance of the bigger channel as well. Now, for example, if we will have a breakout from this resistance, then our next target after the breakout can be here approximately at $44,500. But if we will break it down, then our next target can be to the downside, approximately here at $32,600. And in that situation, we can again move down to test the support of the channel. So the next few hours are really very important for the Bitcoin, because if it will break out the resistance of the triangle, then it can also break out a very long-term channel, and from there it can also finish the downtrend which has started on the daily and on the 4-hourly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.